Welcome back, y'all. Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to be showing you how I clean and organize this kitchen cabinet. I wanted to relocate all my baking supplies from my pantry over to this cabinet just so it's more convenient. To help me get organized for this project, I'm going to be using these beautiful labels by The Talented Kitchen. I'll have a swipe up link in my stories as well as in the description of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Y'all, I'm so excited for the way this turned out. I'll have all the info in the description of this video, as well as in my stories and highlights. Thank you also to The Talented Kitchen for supplying these wonderful clear labels for my project. Thanks for flying by, y'all.